Hey guys, today we are going to talk a video conferencing app or a video conferencing tool that will help you all to create videos or create a video conferencing. Okay, so that tool is called as JITSI. I will walk you through with that in details how exactly it works, how many platforms it supports, like can it be used on web, can it be used on mobile apps, and all those things. I will take you step by step. So guys, if you are new to my channel and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, I request you all to kindly subscribe to my channel. If you should, this is my channel name is Sourabh Chala. It is purely related to technologies. So I keep update technologies news and technology stuff, whatever comes new, I keep updated on my channel. So guys, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, I request you all to kindly subscribe to my channel. So let's move ahead and let's see a video conferencing app which is called JITSI. Okay, so guys, I have already opened the website jitsi.org. Okay, so Jitsi is basically a video conferencing app. You can see here it is more secure, more flexible, and completely free video conferencing. There's a very important and a point, like a very important point to be known, that it's totally free. So no charges will be there to use this video conferencing app. And the good thing is like you can use in mobile apps, you can use in web apps. They also have their own apps like Android app and iPhone app. So if you just go here and click or to download, you can see it has the iPhone iOS app, it has Android app, Google Play. You can find it on Google Play, so you can download it and directly start the video conferencing. But guys, if you are web developers and if you are developers and you wanted to embed a video conferencing app into your projects, okay. For example, now as you see, a lot of people are going online conferencing due to this Corona pandemic. So a lot of people are trying to stay home, stay safe, and they are doing like online virtual classes and virtual meetings, everything going online. So guys, this is a good option to look for whoever is looking for a video conferencing app. So if you go to these docs as well, so in the documentation you can have all the documentation that you would like to have. So what is JITSI actually? It's a collection of open source project. Okay, you can easily implement to any of it. If you are a developer, you can directly download it from the Git repo. Okay, and it has the developer guide for SDK and everything is there. Okay, and it has the user guide for you. Okay, how let me drag it here. How JITSI join a JITSI meeting, start JITSI meeting, share JITSI meeting, how exactly it will work. And if you are a developer and looking for a web, you can have all the documentation for web here. If you are a mobile developer looking for mobile SDK for iOS or Android, you can directly get it from here. Okay, guys. So it's really easy and simple to use this JITSI. And the important thing is like I will just walk you through the FAQ section. So that will be really helpful for you. So it will okay here. So using this FAQ section, you will understood what exactly it provides and how many things it provides. So this is really easy for you guys to understand what this is all about. So first of all, what is JITSI? Like I told you that it's an open source project, okay, and it's totally free. Okay, you can use this video conferencing app for totally free. Okay, how can I use the video conferencing? Like I says you that meet.jitsi.c. This is for the web, and if you guys looking for Android and iOS, you can directly go to the Play Store for Android and iTunes for iOS. Okay, you can directly go there and download it. Okay, so this is a very important question. Is GC free? Yes, this is 100% open source and freely available to use and develop. So guys, anyone looking for a video conferencing app, I will recommend this. This is really good. I personally tried it. The clarity and everything is good. So like you can directly go through all these details, like what are the major GC projects that are using what are the major things, what are the features that GC provides. Okay, so it's an auto view, like Android and iOS. Text chatting is available but for web only. Okay, locker room with password is available, screen sharing is available, streaming a conference to YouTube live, that is available. Plasma shared text document based on Etherpad. Then that you can just see there are a lot of option that provided. And also guys, if you are having a video conferencing, so a lot of people come with a question that do we have a record facility, can we record our video conferencing? So it says yes, you can record your video conferencing. There is an easiest way to record the live stream your conference to YouTube and access recording there. Okay, and can I call into a GC conference with telephone? The answer is yes. You can simply go through all the FAQs, means whatever questions you have, you can get everything clear. Still, if you have more questions, they have the customer support as well, so you can go there and ask the questions. So guys, just let me know how you like these videos, and how you're looking for Jitsi, and if anyone is using Jitsi, so just let me know how was your experience and everything. And guys, for developers, you can directly go to the GitHub repo. As I already told you in the documents, it is available. The SDK is available for Android and iOS both, and it is also available for web as well. So you can easily and simply integrate on your web by using iframe also. Like if you're looking someone to come on your website without losing your website and start the video conferencing without going to a third party tool, so this is a very nice tool. You can have your own website, you can integrate this on your own website, and you can also run multiple items including that on your website, which is user friendly and easy for your users. So guys, just let me know how you like this video, and if you guys really like this video, so everyone kindly share and kindly subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.